Hi friends, welcome to Vishwa's Voice. In terrace gardening part 3, we will see about the strawberry sapling plantation. Before entering into the video, this entire video is sponsored by Genreviews.online. Genreviews.online is one of the review portal site. The web link for the Genreviews.online is mentioned in the description. Please have a glance and enjoy the reviews. Come, we will enter into the strawberry sapling plantation. Hi friends, before start seeing into the strawberry sapling plantation, come we will start seeing a small scooty story about the strawberry. Come, let's enjoy. A huge thank you for all my friends. I can't express how grateful I am for each and every one of you who took the time to watch this video. Your support fuels my passion and I love creating content for you. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please consider liking and subscribing. I'd also love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. Thank you for being such an amazing community. Let's keep growing together. Once again, this video is sponsored by Genreviews.online. Genreviews.online is one of the review portal site. The link is posted in my description. Please have a look and get a good reviews. Bye bye.